Now we have to learn some extra problems in a chapter financial planning. फायनान्शियल प्लॅनिंग अर्थनियोजन या चॅप्टरमध्ये काही आपण अभ्यासक्रमावर आधारित परंतु पुस्तकाच्या बाहेरची काही प्रॉब्लेम पाहणार आहोत. फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम, a trader collected rupees 30,000 as GST in the month of July. If his ITC is rupees 22,000, what is his payable CGST? Meaning of this problem, तुम्हाला 2 मार्काला अशा प्रकारचा प्रॉब्लेम परीक्षेला विचारला जातो. एका व्यापाऱ्याने जुलै महिन्यामध्ये 30,000 रुपये जीएसटी कलेक्ट गोळा केलेले आहे. त्यासाठी ITC इनपुट टॅक्स क्रेडिट 22,000 रुपये भरले असतील तर या ट्रान्झॅक्शन मध्ये जीएसटी किती भरलेली आहे? ITC इनपुट टॅक्स इज इक्वल टू रुपीज 22,000. Output tax collected at the time of sale is a 30,000. Therefore, GST payable is equal to output tax minus input tax. 30,000 minus 22,000 is equal to rupees 8,000. This is the payable of GST. To find the payable of CGST, CGST payable is the half of GST payable. GST payable upon 2 is equal to 8,000 upon 2 is equal to rupees 4,000. This is the amount payable for CGST is rupees 4,000. Second extra problem in the chapter. Problem number 2. Mahesh purchase sweet costing rupees 300 from Sweet Mart. If the rate of GST is 5%, how much did she pay for the sweet? महेशने एका मिठाईच्या दुकानातून 300 रुपये किमतीची मिठाई घेतली. त्यावर जीएसटी 5% रेट आकारण्यात आलेला आहे. तर महेशने त्या मिठाईसाठी किती रुपये दिले? Purchase price of sweet cost, that is taxable value of sweet cost, is rupees 300 and the rate of GST is a 5%. Therefore, GST payable is equal to taxable value multiply rate of GST. Taxable value of sweet is a 300 multiply 5%. 300 multiply 5 upon 100. 220 get cancelled. Then 3 multiply 5 is equal to 15. GST payable in this transaction is a 15 rupees. Therefore, Mahesh paid the amount for sweet to the Sweet Mart is equal to taxable value plus GST. 300 plus 15 rupees is equal to 315 rupees paid by Mahesh to the Sweet Mart. Problem number 3. Anil purchased a laptop for MRP rupees 50,000. 10% discount on MRP was given 18%. GST was charged on discounted price. Find the amount of CGST and SGST and what amount did Anil pay? Meaning of this problem, अनिलने 50,000 रुपये MRP असलेला एक लॅपटॉप खरेदी केला. MRP म्हणजे छापील किमतीवर 10% सूट दिला. सूट देऊन जी रक्कम अनिलने दिलेली आहे त्या रकमेवरती 18% जीएसटी चार्ज घेतलेला आहे. तर सीजीएसटी आणि एसजीएसटी ची किंमत किती आणि अनिलने त्या लॅपटॉप साठी किती रुपये दिले? सोल्यूशन, mark price of laptop, that is the MRP price, is equal to rupees 50,000. Discount percentage is a 10. To find first discount amount on the 50,000 rupees, discount amount is equal to 50,000 multiplied 10%. 50,000 multiply 10 upon 100 to 0 get cancel. 500 into 10 is equal to 5,000. This is the discount amount. Then taxable value, to find out for laptop, taxable amount is equal to MRP price minus discount. 50,000 minus 5,000 is equal to 45,000. This is the taxable amount of laptop at the time of purchase. Therefore, rate of GST is 18%. GST payable is equal to taxable value into rate of GST. Taxable value is 45,000 multiply 18%. Therefore, 45,000 multiply 18 upon 100 to 0 get cancel. 450 multiply 18, then we get 8,100 is the GST payable. To find the amount of CGST and SGST is the half of amount of GST. Therefore, CGST payable is equal to SGST payable is equal to 8,100 upon 2, then we get 4,050. This is the amount of CGST and SGST is equal to rupees 4,050. And what amount did Anil pay? The amount paid by Anil is the taxable value plus GST, 45,000 plus 8,100. Their sum is 53,100 rupees. This amount is paid by Anil. 4. Problem number 4. Mr. Roy purchased some chemicals for rupees 8,850 with GST and sold it to the customer for rupees 9,440 with GST. The rate of GST is 18%. Find the amount of CGST and SGST payable by Mr. Roy. Meaning of this problem, Mr. Roy ने काही केमिकल्स GST सह 8,850 रुपयाला खरेदी केली आणि ते ग्राहकाला GST सह 9,440 रुपयाला विकले. GSTचा दर 18% असल्यास CGST SGST ची अमाउंट किती आहे, किंवा मिस्टर रॉयने CGST आणि SGST ची अमाउंट किती पे केलेली आहे. सोल्यूशन, टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ केमिकल्स with GST is 8,850. Total amount is equal to taxable value plus GST. Here is only total value is given and rate of GST is also given. Then first to find taxable value. Therefore, let taxable value is equal to rupees X. Therefore, amount of GST is equal to taxable value multiply percent of GST. Taxable value is a X multiply 18%, 18X upon 100. This is the amount of GST. Total amount is equal to taxable value plus GST. Taxable value we have to consider is a X plus amount of GST is a 18X upon 100. X plus 18X upon 100 is the total amount. Total amount is given 8,850. Therefore, 8,850 is equal to 100x plus 18x upon 100. In this step, the cross multiplication 100 multiplied to x, 100x plus x upon 1, 1 multiplied to 18x is equal to 18x. 100x plus 18x upon 100 is equal to 118x upon 100. This 100 goes down LHS side, then we get multiply. 8,850 multiply 100 is equal to 118x. To find the value of x, 118 goes down next side, then we get divide. Therefore, x is equal to 8,85,000 upon 118. 118 divide to numerator, then we get 7,500. This is the taxable value. That is taxable value of at that time purchase of some chemicals. Then input tax is the 8,850 minus taxable amount 7,500 is equal to 1,350. या ठिकाणी मिस्टर रॉय ने केमिकल खरेदी करताना जीएसटी सह एकूण रक्कम 8,850 रुपये दिलेली आहे. करपात्र रक्कम 7,500 रुपये असेल तर इनपुट टॅक्स किंवा जीएसटी किती आहे? 1,350. Input tax we have to consider, that is a ITC 1,350 rupees. Mr. Roy sold it with GST to the customer of rupees 9,440 rupees. 8,850 रुपयाला घेतलेले काही केमिकल्स ग्राहकाला 9,440 रुपयाला विकलेले आहेत. म्हणजे आपल्याला आउटपुट टॅक्स काढायचा आहे. टोटल अमाऊंट इज इक्वल टू टॅक्सेबल व्हॅल्यू प्लस जीएसटी. आता जी रक्कम दिलेली आहे ती जीएसटी सह दिलेली आहे. येथे आपल्याला टॅक्सेबल व्हॅल्यू प्रथम काढावी लागेल विकताना. लेट टॅक्सेबल व्हॅल्यू इज इक्वल टू वाय. अमाऊंट ऑफ जीएसटी इज इक्वल टू टॅक्सेबल व्हॅल्यू मल्टीप्लाय रेट ऑफ जीएसटी. Taxable value is a y multiply 18%, that is 18y upon 100. Total amount is equal to y plus 18y upon 100. Total amount is given 9,440 is equal to cross multiplication 100y plus 18y upon 100 is equal to 118y upon 100. This 100 goes down LHS side, then we get multiply. 9,440 multiply 100 is equal to 118y. Y is equal to, at numerator, 9,44,000 upon 118. 118 divide to this numerator, then we get 8,000. This is the taxable value at that time of sale. This is the rupees 8,000. This is the output tax to find on the taxable value 8,000 rupees. 8,000 रुपयावर 18% दराने आउटपुट टॅक्स किती ते काढूया. आउटपुट टॅक्स इज इक्वल टू 8,000 multiply 18%. 8,000 multiply 18 upon 100, 20 get cancel. 80 multiply 18 is equal to 1,440. Therefore, output tax is equal to 1,440. Then GST payable is equal to output tax minus input tax, that is ITC. Output tax is a 1,440 minus 1,350 is equal to rupees 90. This is the GST payable value, rupees 90. And amount of CGST and amount of AGST is the half of amount of GST. Therefore, GST amount of CGST is equal to amount of AGST is equal to GST payable by 2. 90 upon 2 is equal to 45 rupees. Amount of CGST and amount of AGST is the same, rupees 45 rupees. Extra problem number 5. Sri Anand Dev bought solar panel of taxable value rupees 90,000. He sold the same for taxable value of rupees 1,30,000. If the rate of GST is a 5%, what is the amount of ITC? How much GST is payable by Sri Anand Dev? Meaning of this problem, श्री आनंद देव ने एक सोलार पॅनल 9,000 रुपये किमतीला विकत घेतले आणि ते त्यांनी 1,30,000 रुपयाला विकले. त्यावर 5% जीएसटी आकारली असेल तर ITC अमाउंट किती आहे आणि जीएसटी श्री आनंद देव यांनी किती भरलेली आहे. टॅक्सेबल व्हॅल्यू ऑफ सोलर पॅनल ॲट द टाइम ऑफ परचेस, at the time of sale, that is 1,30,000. Therefore, rate of GST is a 5%. Input tax, the taxable value multiply percent of GST. Taxable value of solar panel at the time of purchase is rupees 90,000. Rate of GST is a 5%. Input tax is equal to taxable value multiply rate of GST. 90,000 multiply 5%. Therefore, 90,000 multiply 5 upon 100, 20 get cancel. 900 multiply 5 is equal to 4,500. This is the input tax. At the time of sale, he sold the solar panel to customer of 1,30,000. Therefore, output tax is equal to taxable value multiply rate of GST at the time of sale. 1,30,000 multiply 5%. 1,30,000 multiply 5 upon 100. 20 get cancel. 1,300 multiply 5 is a 6,500. This is the output tax. GST payable is equal to output tax minus input tax. 6,500 minus 4,500. Then we get 2,000 rupees is the GST payable. And what is the amount of ITC? The amount of ITC is the 4,500. And there are 2,000 GST payable by Sri Anand Dev. Today's homework. For the given trading chain, prepare the tax invoice first, second, third GST at the rate of 18% as charge for the article supply. Manufacturer total taxable value of rupees 8,000. Manufacturer sold it to the distributor, taxable value of rupees 9,000. Then distributor sold it to the retailer, taxable value of rupees 9,600, and retailer sold it to the customer to find how much amount paid by the customer. And to find GST, SGST, CGST at every stage in a tax invoice from manufacturer to distributor, distributor to retailer, and retailer to consumer or customer.